understand. But in your pants, take a chance. Pimp a strip down. Morning, good morning. We're just getting our coffee going. Let me get my coffee going. I'll be right back. For now, enjoy the soothsaying sounds of our friend, Evil Pimp.
I'll never love you tricks. That is why I won't commit. But yet I will admit I'll commit the rubbing tits. The ball is in your court. You can leave or you can stay. But I will be upfront if you stay within your play. A nigga wants to fuck, but no babies I will make. I'm not trying to bait, so I won't play patty cake. Don't care if you look nice or if you just look aight. Or put a bag over your face until you hit the lights. You females don't be played and believe I play you well. I only pick up one for four, the devil be bitch in the name of Michelle. And pimpin' niggas wise is my fucking 9 to 5. These lame ass nigga roll don't know I got secret lines. I'm ready to begin my dance, cause that ass got me in trance. Then after I'm done with them hoes, put them on the funny rams. Girl, show me what it do. Come on, girl, give up the chew. And yes, it's also true, bitch, I do adore you. I'm not here to fall in love. I hope you do understand. I'm not here to fall in love. So just up in your pants. I'm not here to fall in love. So come on, girl, take a chance. I'm not here to fall in love. Just get up and bust a dance. I'm not here to fall in love. I hope you do understand. I'm not here to fall in love. So just up in your pants. I'm not here to fall in love. So come on, girl, take a chance. I'm not here to fall in love. Just get up and bust a dance. I'm not here to fall in love. I hope you do understand.
Alrighty, coffee's brewing. Boy, looks like we had some fun price action. I'm glad the price came down a little bit. I haven't been able to make my OTC purchase yet. Wire transfer has to go through. Would have been nice to lock in that 65 thou wow, but oh well. So hopefully that shit lands today. International wire transfers can be a bitch. You know, it's my money, and when I send it, it should be there immediately. You know? I shouldn't have to wait a day, or hopefully they don't make me wait a couple days. You know what I'm saying? But, what do we got here? 3 minute, looking good. I'm kind of digging this pattern. It was scrunching up. I don't know. I really haven't looked at the charts yet. And so we're going to break it down. Damn. So, okay, I see what people were saying with the whole intraday thing. Really? We closed the highest? Was that the highest? Solid candle close? Yeah. And we're pushed up against it. little momentum clip. Still high. 4 hour might be coming up. 3 hour might be coming up. 2 hour might be coming up. 1 hour might be coming up. Oh man, I hope that wire transfer hits. I'm liking this 1 hour. I'm hopeful on this 1 hour. Got this nice yellow wave, which it's anchors and triggers hitching all the way up. Momentum potentially clipping. Hopefully she has the strength to push on through. Oh, coffee's ready. And you know I need that shit. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Hopefully y'all can hear me in both ears today. Yes, sir. 67,000. This is why I love entering a trade and taking my ass to sleep. Even though that's not really what happened here, because I, live streamed and whatnot, and we actually entered the trade days before this shit happened. What was the entry? I guess I didn't type what the exact entry was. Wait. I didn't actually type the actual entry. I just said when I was going in. On the 2nd of March. Damn, that was like a week ago. What day is it today? Okay, today's the 5th. All right, so it was only 3 days ago. Am I behind that huge ass candle on Crow? No. My OTC buy hasn't come in yet because the wire transfer has to go through. Gee! Oh, fuck. Damn, I'm missing out. Yeah, it was 61.6 something. It was 61.6 something, huh? Or 61.8. But increase that leverage, sprinkled on top here, for better or for worse. Wish I could say that I got in on this wick, but my ass was asleep. I sprinkled, in here. but we're still up 86,000, 85,000. We were at 100K for a little bit there. Shit, it was probably higher. 8.21% of 1.6 million. Two chicks at the same time. Hey, Peter. What would I do with $1 million? I'd do two chicks at the same time. All right. So it was 130,000, I guess. Yes, I officially sent out the wire transfer. Just a little milli, cool little milli. Yeah, you know, we're gonna have to look at some shit coins. Damn, oh my God, everything's just pumping 25% out of nowhere. Oh my God, I'm missing out so much. I am missing out. Wow. Dang. Look at the weekly though. Man, the weekly's probably just getting started. I mean, this is just getting started.
This how it happened to him. Waking up on a Friday and I must get paid. So I put my shoes on, brought my teeth on my way, grab the clock, but make sure I'm loaded up. Get the math.
Yeah, ICP, yeah, that looks good. Let's look how our Pepe. Wow. Nice little trigger wave here on Pepe. Targets? Nah, man. I've gotten that question multiple times in the past 24 hours. Where do you think it could go? Nobody knows. I don't know. 200,000, a million? Who the fuck knows? Could go high. Could go pretty high. Son of a gun. Oh man. Oh, I hope this wire transfer hits today. Damn, Ethereum. This looks amazing. This looks amazing. Wow, look. I'm just talking about the candles. That's all you even need to see. That's really all you need to see. Although it could have a little more curvature to it. Normally when it's curved, that's when you get the boom, boom, boom. Those big candles. This is a little straight. Still looks pretty damn good. There's a little curvature here. short on Pepe. Gee. Oh. Beautiful continuation momentum. Money flow super high on Ethereum. You know what? What's the oldest Ethereum chart? This goes to 2015, 17. Is there like an ETH BLX chart? Maybe that is the oldest chart. Bitstamp. At least on this chart, this is only the third time in history that we've been at these levels. And the RSIs pretty much look exactly the same. They are intertwined, tight. Nice and tight. It's kind of useless looking at the percentages, but we'll look anyways. 7,500% on that one. $730%. So that's 10. So okay, what about 70%? 5,700. That's it. If it continues, it's 10x less. If it's 10x less, we have at least 70%. Stupid ass log chart. Get rid of that shit. I thought Zcash had like a crazy pump. I mean, everything's been crazy pumping. It's a bit doge. Wow. That's a 2. That's 100%. 120. Little rumor about the PulseChain Richard Hart wallet. Unofficial. Didn't he buy a shit ton of ETH? ETH looks good. Although I tell you what, the fees are absolutely retarded. I had to pay like $200 in fees yesterday moving some shit around. Just one coin, I had to move it around. It cost me 2 transactions of $100. And I was moving like 30 grand of shit. That's why ETH kind of sucks in that fashion. Tron is so much better. Man, this looks good. Wow, Tron on the weekly. We've never even had these type of inflows before. This is the first time Wow. And it's like, man, see what I'm talking about with curvature? You see how this beginning curvature and then just boom, huge candles. We're getting even better curvature. We should be getting even better candles. God, I hope that wire transfer hits today. Let me text you. Any news on that wire? I'm gonna guess Solano is at 100. What, $42? Okay, it's that's what I really thought. I really thought it was still at $131. I just didn't want to say it. Yeah, that daily. Let's take a look at it again. Okay, whatever time frame I was just looking at's the bet. Yeah, the hourly. The hourly is what I put on the thumbnail. Nice little dual band. The secret weapon waves are churning and turning. This is a very nice wave that's probably about to turn blue. Dual band. And look at Dev. What the hell is that, bro? Is that a shit coin? That's some shit coin I have to go into 5 different screens in order to buy? Alright, I'll fucking kidding. Wow, this is actually a coin. It's only on this fucking shitter exchange. Ah, this looks horrible. Bro, in all of crypto, there's so many things that are going up. This is what you're going with, my friend. Come on, man. This looks like there's no liquidity. Someone keeps selling and taking all the money. All the money you're putting into this, you're giving it to the creator. This looks like shit. This looks like the same thing. Maybe not as bad. We do. Then we through. She looked like gorilla. The options on the scene. And took one for the team. 5. It smelled like dog shit. How's Pulse doing? 54%. Man, we need this pulse chain to start pumping, man. This floating between 30 and 50% shit's getting old. We need this shit to pump. Ordi. I got some Ordi. I got some of that coin, I think. Is this an AI token? Beautiful little money flow right here, potentially. Yeah, momentum switched. Momentum was coming down, switched. Nice. Little channel, little momentum channel. Reversing here, you know. Look good. Beam. I hear that was doing good. Excellent. Take a look. Good shit. Gaming chain, I think. Isn't this the gaming chain? This is where we have to get our RST on this shit. Against ETH's upward movement, RST is still on fire, also increasing. Boy, when you have a shit token paired with shit tokens, aka a token paired with ETH, like this token RST paired with ETH is going up, yet this price is still going up as well. That's nice. I'm gonna be doing a video on these guys, specifically their game that's released right now on the EA app called The Lords of Light. It's basically Hearthstone with kind of a crypto twist, and it really overachieved my expectations. But I got to do a separate video on that. They're not on like an exchange yet. If you want the RST token, you gotta dig a little bit. I suppose, and I mentioned these guys on Twitter months ago. Told everyone I was buying every month on it. Let's go, baby. Come on. I don't know if I really want the price to go up right now. I want this wire to go through. Man, it takes a lot to build a music producing studio. Do we got any studio producers in the chat? How much was your setup to have all that shit? You need a keyboard, you need a mixer, you need a flixer, you need a laptop, you need this shit. looks nice right now. Dang, so that pulled back 5%. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Damn, on these ones that have just hit right there. That is the what? The what? 68.942. Most recent week we had over 250,000. Yeah. Yeah. Reason why I asked again if you weren't here before is because partner up with Hawk Newsom in Mississippi to have a little studio for the kids trying to get out of gang violence or the hood or the fucked up home. But man, to have a studio put together, number one, we need fucking security in that bitch so it doesn't get stolen. And number two, we're gonna need some donations. Do we got any Sony execs in the chat? Donate anything over $100 besides YouTube. I don't know. I'll talk with Hawk. We'll set it up. We'll have to like set up an actual crypto wallet where if someone really wants to actually donate something good, you know, they can do it. Asking for donations. Motherfucker, have you listened to a word we said, bitch? Literally every dollar that comes in donation goes to charity. You fuck. You're sitting with me asking for donations. Yeah, to help fucking kids in the hood. You fuck. Ban his ass. You have no more permission to speak. $1 million asking for donations. Yeah, because there's nothing like music, you know. And we'll make sure there's like if I'm donating a good chunk of money, there needs to be a plaque that says, "Don't do drugs, Don't fucking lie. There's nothing that bothers me more than if someone's on the track and they tell a lie. You know what I'm saying? Don't say you've done something or you are something if you ain't done it and you ain't it. Damn, Hex, man, it seems like it's bottomed. I tell you, my issue with Hex is fundamental. But I mean, this looks like it's got nowhere to go but up. This looks like it's got nowhere to go but up. My lord, has this fallen? How much would this be? Oh, a decent amount. Oh shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're back to almost 100 thou wow. Right on, sweet baby sidees, sabies. How's our volume right now? Do I sound, is the music slightly in the back? I don't want it to be too loud. Just enough to where you can hear it though. And we haven't had anyone complain about the volume of my voice. I made sure my microphone is at 74%. DGB, is that Digibyte? Is that Digibyte? The let's look at this shit. Oh man, this is dog poo. Digibyte was so popular with the women in salons, and it ain't shit. Ain't doing shit. Oh wait, hang on, this is the weekly. Wow, this looks horrible. Now this doesn't look as bad. Okay, maybe that was just the exchange. Okay, this looks much better. This looks much better on this exchange. It's up 100% in 2 weeks. I guess that's okay. I already looked at the fucking rune, man. I already looked at that coin. There ain't no left ear only. Okay, let's hear. 1, 2, testing. Am I on? Okay, I think we sound okay. Market Cipher really changed my life. Crypto face, thank you. This will be an insane run. I am very glad to hear that, brother or sister. Good to hear. It really is the best in its class, and you know, you guys are the ones who prove it every day. You prove it every day. Yeah. Thanks for your super chat. They all go to charity, which is why I also don't feel as bad saying you're killing me with these unheard of shit coins on fucking deck screener, like Mitch says. You guys had me going into deep waters trying to look for these shit coins that have like $100,000 in market cap, and even that's a lie. Because if you drop crypto face into that pond, I would kill it. You're on a 150 trade win streak. Please post that proof into our testimonials, bro. If it's true. Yeah, I was on his stream for a while. And I was tired. Dozed off for a little bit. And then went to bed. Woke up. And here we are. Man, if you want to know about Market Cipher, bro, just go to our website, marketciphertrading.com. Go to learn, go to the tutorials and learn about basic strategy. You know, there's a bunch of other YouTubers and traders that have their own Market Cipher strategies and shit that they use. I've probably forgotten more than I've talked in the last 8 years or however long it's been. I don't think that we've had one day where at least one Market Cipher was purchased in years. Every single day, someone in the world is getting Market Cipher. Says a lot about what we have. You know, if McDonald's had a shitty tasting cheeseburger, you wouldn't have a McDonald's everywhere you go. But McDonald's cheeseburgers taste damn good, and so do their French fries. And that's why they're the top dogs. How's this fetch? Okay, it's at 187. Finally, it's having its little move. What is that, 6%? because I remember I was long like 1.7 something, but I got out of that so I could put some more into this trade. I'm confident that your wire will hit today. Boy, I hope that shit does too. Does the dollar menu not exist anymore? Remember the dollar menu? You could get a nice little cheeseburger for $1. Yeah, McDonald's sounds pretty good right about now, I'm not gonna lie. 68, baby. We're working our way back up. You can't argue with having hang on, the trash man's driving by, it's loud as hell. The whole reason why people want to use indicators is to see the future. Forget the past. You know, there's nothing worse than when you meet somebody and they like trauma dump on their past. Like a stripper. They're like, oh yeah, I've been raped, I've been this, I've been that, I used to do this, I used to do that. No one cares about the past. Fuck the past. Focus on today and the future. Time to go to work with a long open. Good luck, brother. Yeah, I wish you know, it's not too late. I just have to keep telling myself it is not too late, too long. When this wire goes through. Thanks, Bev'd Up. All goes to charity, you know where it goes. But, and to be honest, I've been donating to Hawk Newsom and the things that he does for his people for a while. I rarely say anything about it. Yeah, when we had dinner and he brought up the fact about potentially having a studio for the shouties, for the kids. I was like, oh man, such a good idea. And then he said, we gonna get Evil Pimp. And that really got me excited. Hawk Newsom is a powerful, you know, figure. And so he can pretty much get a hold of anyone he really wants to. Especially if they're black. Thoughts on Gareth Shortaway? I like Gareth. I think he's a good trader. He trades every day. Although, you know, I am the double champ. In the first season of Crypto Wars, he was on that season, and I think he did well. But your boy State came out. It still came out on top, baby. Crypto hardens us, man. You know. I am the double champ. Do I support Palestine? What the fuck does that even mean, bro? Oh my god. Man, I feel like that channel kind of went to shit. The Dark Monkey. The merch meeting is today. Thanks for reminding me. It's in like 4 hours. God dang. I gotta take my butt down there. Female fan club's growing. Tell your wife thank you. Yeah, we've always had there's always fucking, we got a lot of females that watch this channel. It's just, it's hard for them to poke their neck out into the chats, because then it's like a bunch of eel in a bucket start flopping and eeling their goos out, and weirdos and shit. Oh, we got the warning. We got the warning. Stream warning. Stream may temporarily be blocked. Alright. We'll just have to switch it up to our own music. We had a good amount in the Bebsy Discord, but the weird ones scared them away. Hell yeah, man. We got Instagram bitches. We got thoughts. We got all of them. A lot of them are still there, but again, they don't talk. And, you know. Still own the Ferrari. What do you think, man? You think I'm going to get rid of that car? It's the most beautiful car I've ever seen. I'm going to keep that Ferrari probably forever. Man, you know what I thought about getting some jerseys. Dude, that's totally, it's funny you mentioned that. I totally thought about having Market Cipher jerseys. These people can do anything that I'm going to see again today. So, but again, I really want to be proud of our merch. The Market Cipher merch has been a tough road. We've had multiple different motherfuckers. The highlight of its career was the 20-ounce mug. I'm going to try to bring that shit back. But I really want, again, even if it's going to be more expensive, It's not about, I'm going to offer the product for as low of a price that I can without taking a loss. If it's break even, that's perfect. I've made so much money off crypto. Why am I still going to work right now? Well, you know, I didn't stop working until I was fired. They fired my ass. A market cipher book for logging, like a journal with an MC logo, yeah. Or I mean, you know, stickers. You could always slap a sticker on thing. There is so much. I you know, we're gonna do a lot. We're gonna do a lot. 60-ounce beer mugs. All right. Why did they fire me? You know, I was in sales and business. I was in sales consulting, helping businesses increase their sales. I was great at my job. I loved my job, but man, they just fired my ass. They laid off a shit ton of people. It wasn't really for anything that I did. Where is our... Oh man, how's that one cat? I might have to buy some of this. Ooh, and this is overall nicely curved. This coin was really the reason trading this coin is how I basically won the second championship in crypto trading wars, man. Wow. But what's up, Nessa? What's happening, mama? Mama. Mommy. Mama. Turn a man into a boy. Man, we looked at Crow. We looked at all these shit coins. They all look the same. They all look great. Crow. I hope my wire transfer hits today. I fired off another $1 million to fucking buy some just Bitcoin, turn it into some Ethereum, turn it into some shit coins. We're gonna get some Crow, maybe some more Pepe, some of this fucking cat bullshit, some of this shit, maybe some of that fetch, maybe some of that FTM, maybe some of that beam, maybe some of that dream. Fuck Dijon mustard. If your restaurant has mustard as an option and it's only that Dijon bullshit, I'm not eating it. Curve 2, yeah, curve 2. How's that curve? What's little mama into? Mama. What are you buying these days? Don't tell me, did you bite? Yeah, man. Is my internet down? Oh no. No, it's working. Can you get Market Cipher for 3 to 6 months? Nah, bro. Just a year and a lifetime, I think, is all we offer right now. Let me see if I could get us a code. You never sleep. What the fuck are you talking about? I slept all day. I am very refreshed. I went to bed yesterday. I don't know what time. It was, you know, maybe 4 hours after I streamed. 4, 5, 6 hours after I streamed. Went to bed. And slept till, you know, late. See if I can get a code. Let me try to make a little get a little coupon code made. Yo, can we get a 20? Let's do a little. See if we can get a 25% off code I can use for the stream. They showed me how to do it myself one time, but that shit was years ago and I forgot. Oh my God, we're getting the code. He's awake. You're the man. What do we want it to be named? Mama. Mama 25. MAMA 25. Alright, it's getting made. Just have it good for like 30 uses. Do any Wall Street traders use Market Cipher? Yes. But they have to do it like they can't they can't do it while they're at Goldman Sachs. But they can do it. But these guys, most of them work from home now. To be honest, a lot of them work at home now. So, yeah, we got hedge fund managers. We got fucking dudes on the front lines of Wall Street. Guys that manage $80 million, $50 million, $100 million portfolios in hedge funds. Teams. Had a couple guys that manage like a team of 10, 12 traders, and they hooked them all up with it. Ready to use. Okay. 25% off Market Cipher. Use code MAMA25. MarketCipherTrading.com or MarketCipher.com. They both go to the same place. Use code MAMA25. MAMA. MAMA. 25 for 25% off. 30 uses. Jason Casper has surpassed me in views. Yeah, he's probably gonna pass me in subscribers too. The dude's a fucking nothing but good things to say about him. I'm glad. I'm happy for him. He should pass me. He puts himself on camera. He's inspired so many people to fucking exercise while they stream. He grows his own food. He raises his own animals. He's got big butts, 69 or 48 or something. He should have more viewers than me. He streams more than me. He does everything more than me. In Trader Main. I like that Trader Main's Twitter. I actually saw him for the first time, a little video clip of him last night on Twitter. I like his posts. I comment on a couple of his posts. Hey, get that political shit out of the chat. No one gives a fuck about... No, but please, please. Fuck who you stand with. All of you. You know what? I don't give a shit. Talk about whatever the hell you want. I don't give a shit. Stand with whoever you want. I don't care. I stand with Bitcoin. I don't know. What are the ETF flows? Can we hear Scared Money Part 2? I don't know, man. Maybe. Is it possible to donate with PayPal? I don't know. Is it? If you're talking about the studio thing, Big Nick, we'll set up like a wallet or something for donations. Man, I told you, man, the money flows the 4th time in history, bro. It's fucking great. Hey, get Market Cipher. I just gave you a 25% coupon. 25% off Market Cipher with code MAMA25. Go buy that shit. Describe Market Cipher. Oh, it's the trading system, man. That's all the shit I use. Go to the website. It's all here, bro. Go to the website. It's a composite indicator package hosted on TradeView. You can trade any asset. That's the school answer. In practical terms, we're more than indicators. Market Cipher brand is about community, education, guidance, advice, and wisdom. Nobody makes it on their own. And even with help, there are many pitfalls and unsavory characters lurking about, eager to pick your pocket. And that's why we fucking exist. We know there are many trading tools out there, and your confidence and trust must be earned. We take that shit fucking serious. Empowering traders, baby. Empowering traders. Bear market, bull market, doesn't matter. Market Cipher, you could change your whole damn life. People said that shit already in this chat today. Say they changed their life. MarketCipherTrading.com. Sites responding to me, MarketCipherTrading.com. Working for me. Gold at all-time high? Fuck yeah, let's go, baby. Where we at? 21.29? Fuck yeah. I love this shit too. I love gold. And I like Peter Schiff. Gold, beautiful money flow, beautiful momentum increasing. RSIs are conjoined. Yeah, gold absolutely should continue to the upside. Fucking banks been holding damn too much people own everything. It's been stuck at 2,000 for eternity. Do we have UK members in Market Cipher? Bro, are you kidding me? We got people in every country in the world, man. Every country in the world, bro. Ask the chat, how many of you are Brits in here that have Market Cipher? Say, meh. Yeah, Brian, it's the biggest turnoff when someone like potentially has some talent or you think you like them and then you see their rotten side and how they talk shit. I'm telling you, that's what I be telling these smaller guys, these little channels. I'm like, listen, don't. I mean, you can even just look at their engagement on Twitter when they talk shit about someone. It is way less. And then that's someone that maybe in the future he would have mentioned you and said, hey, this guy seems like he's good. Maybe we should check him out. But you burnt that bridge. Just be cool to people, man. Be nice. Be happy for them. Where are we at? 67.9. Morning. Yeah, man, just do that one thing where you buy your citizenship elsewhere. Please give a 50% discount. I just gave you a 25% discount. Buy 2 of them. There's 50%. Code. Mama 25 for Market Cipher. Again, that's code MAMA25 for 25% off. Only 30 of them exist. First 30, then that's it. What's happening, Googly? We're at a little 100 thou wow. A little 100 thou wow. What does 100 grand in cash look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little inch thick things, 100. Fuck, alright, mint layer. You said it's ML? Mint layer. Okay, that was easy. Alright, well, it had a big ass pump a while ago. It's kind of stagnant now. I don't know what it is. Maybe they have good refreshments. Mint layer. Do they put a leaf on your tea? Where is Team Mint Layer in the world? Or is that a little group somewhere that rents out offices like the Can You Do It guy? What are they minting on their layers? Mint layer. Okay, so I'm guessing that's like an NFT fucking thing. They must be doing some NFT shit. I mean, it's got some support.
Last homie, it ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink them like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is Market Cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it Blues Clues. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Scared to look you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. It was all good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. What the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God, what the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep. That's the reason I don't sleep. Keep my eyes on the prize. Bought some Hex and Cardano. Fear of missing out. FOMO, that's a no-no. Yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick.
It's not
so
Mana 25. I know you're fucking with me. I know you're not being real. But just in case you are, it's MAMA. Let me spell that for you. MAMA25. Okay? 25% off. Only 30 uses. MarketCipherTrading.com. Change your fucking life.
Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix, flying high in the sky. And I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house. I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together. Talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. Three-way. Blockchain tokens got your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to the Most High. Help me beat the odds, playing smart so I don't get wrecked like you pencil next. Where a crew call me Spider-Man, the way I spider line. Until we position, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but I'll never drop a dime. Favorite pastime, sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip.
There is no thoughts. I wish the price would be higher. Everything else is pumping, yet PulseChain is not. How come PulseChain ain't pumping, man? Why ain't PulseChain pumping? It's at 55% over the SAC price.
Whatever you add to I am, you become. Whatever you add to I am is added unto you. Did you get it? I'm going to have you repeat it after me. I am is God.
I am healthy, I am true, I am confident, I am smart, I am rich, I am courageous, I am strong, I got heart. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. I am free, I am focused, I am loved, I am terrific, I am light, I am grateful, I am alive, I am gifted. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. Tell me your affirmations. I am stress free, I am 23, Michael Jordan. Sent a text instead of calling, must not been that important. Might not still answer the phone, cause I'm too busy recording. Trying to wake the world up before the new world order. You can't go across that border unless you got a passport. If you stop smoking blunt, you might can run a full court. Don't take life too personal, try to be a good sport. It ain't nothing to catch a case for you to be right back up in court. Man, this ain't Project Pat flow. Can you tell? I'm from Memphis, I am wise, I am cool, and I used to stay lifted. Had to get a grip on life before I lose mine.
Chalino is doing great. He's sleeping right now. I have his lights turned off. He's doing so good. I'm gonna start handling him, so because he's still young. He's still just a little bitty Chalino. I love his tail, his little Fibonacci tail. We can learn a lot from Chalino. He can face forward but look backward. He can look forward and look backwards at the same time. He's so cute. My little Chalino. Little Chalino.
These are my affirmations. I don't need confirmation. I'm manifesting all my dreams with my conversation. This just a demonstration.
Used to listen to this during lockdown. Man, I know Crown Shock is talented motherfucker.
They word ain't born. I heard that you made a promise. So just so to the devil. All you wanted was fame to get put on a pedestal. If you're still holding grudges, take a deep breath and let it go. Holding on to negativity, you kill like GMO. I'm a boss, no Ross. I am conscious forever, then took a loss and got crossed. But I learned the lesson. I am infinite energy. You can't kill.
Have we found the rat yet? You know, we patched up the house, and I haven't heard that dude above my head. I got a real pest control dude that came in, set some traps. We caught one outside, and patched everything. And yeah, haven't heard that guy yet.
You are dealing with the nature of the law. You are dealing with the nature of divine principle. And you are going to get a reaction.
Bitcoin double top. Interesting. Yeah, we'll watch. We can watch Garrett's thing. Hey, don't be coming to my channel telling people to go somewhere else, you fuck. I don't do that to other channels. I don't go to other people's channels and try to steal from them.
Going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you could tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma
I'm putting you in timeout, you prick. 24 hours.
What's bigger than a whale? Fuck that shit, ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael. Heard they been hating, damn man, what the hell? Plant-based killing motherfucker with the kale. Indiana Jones, yeah, I found the Holy Grail. Been making moves with the crypto cartel. See you making plays, now they wanna call you sale. All my friends rich as hell, that's a motherfucking fact. Knew you couldn't afford it, picked it up, put it back. Riding forward now, but I used to ride lax. 412s bumping with the volume to the max. Remember that shit just like it was yesterday. Phoenix, Arizona, paid cash on a Saturday. Jump shot crazy, get them Tyson with the fadeaway. Still got my old school, talking about a Chevrolet. Government, fuck them, I would never ever obey. Wanna lock us down, stick us up, throw the key away. Propaganda, yeah, I seen it from a mile away. God got us, everything gon' be okay. What's bigger than the whale? Fuck that shit, I ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael. Heard they been hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn man, what the hell? What's bigger than the whale?
Yeah, don't tell me what to do, bro.
Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella
Man,
green,
Ethereum.
Ninja Turtle Raphael. Heard they been hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn
I'm
man,
so
what the hell?
happy.
Damn man, what the fuck? Market crashed on me.
Korea, Singapore.
Been staking these
I'm so happy.
swap altcoins making noise. MetaMask on their ass. Ethereum gotta pay for the gas. Bad little hottie with a whole lot of class. Caught my attention when she didn't have a mask. Non-fungible tokens, almighty NFTs. Getting to the money on OpenSea. I'm just trying to be all I can be. Full metal jacket with a Shiba on me. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hodling. Getting to the money, no time for the gossiping. Hated that job when I was telemarketing. What's bigger than a whale? Fuck that shit, I ain't going back to jail.
Yeah, man, Mitch is a cool dude.
I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael. Heard they been hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn man, what the hell? What's bigger than a whale?
You remember
Fuck that
when
shit, I ain't going back to jail.
Bitcoin
Been
bought
about my
market
paper, I know that
Cipher
you
for
can
the
tell. Trying to
first
figure
time?
out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a
I
spell.
don't know what that
Smoke weed,
means.
but I still like to smell.
Oh
Weed hella
my
green,
god,
Ninja Turtle
alright,
Raphael.
alright.
Heard they
I'll
been
look at
hate,
the
damn man,
cake.
what the hell? Damn man, what the hell?
What is this? This is like some meme pool staking shit, right? It looks like it's doing fine. I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? It's alright, I guess.
What's bigger than a whale? Bigger than a whale. Ain't going back to jail. Ain't been about my paper. I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Which hypnotized man, crypto
Might have a little
crypto got me in
resistance
a
here.
spell. I still like to smell. But we hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael. Ninja Turtle Raphael. Damn man, what the hell?
I never really. I tried looking into like the whole yield farming thing, but it's so inconsistent. I mean, are you really gonna have fucking 30% APR for years in some shitcoin without something horrible happening?
If you
I don't think so.
market Cipher, you don't know what you're missing. But now you know. You're missing life-changing opportunity.
Whatever you
Oh, Gareth Holloway is live in a minute. Yeah, we'll see what he has to say.
Have market Cipher.
We'll see what he
don't
has
know
to
what
say.
you're missing. But now you know. You're missing life-changing opportunity. Confidence. Vision.
I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly
Yeah,
by.
bad.
My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances.
Oh,
Low, then I'ma sell high.
bloody red Ferrari when you see me drive by.
Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I came a long way from nothing, now I'm paddle shifter clutching. Hit the gas on a popo, disappear like a no-show. All eyes on me when I'm in a Rari like I'm Tupac. And it's plain to see in my pant pockets I got big knots. I just left the bank
Oh.
Strategist here at verifiedinvesting.com. We have a full packed action, 30
He's
rounds,
got a
20
football.
minutes of action here for you guys, talking about all the intro. All right, guys, let's get right into it here. Let's go right into the charts or the data points. Let's start out with our market blast. Apple iPhone sales collapsed 25% or 24% in the first weeks of 2024. The chart has broken key supports, and I've talked about this prior. We're going to look at the chart today, but you have broken major key.
We want to hear about
Just in
Bitcoin.
the last couple days, the stock is down another $4
turn this up.
today.
It's a little quiet.
There might be a buying opportunity coming into play, and I'm going to go over that. SMCI was up as much as 27%
Bitcoin.
yesterday.
Bitcoin.
Crazy move just because it was added to the S&P 500. For those of you out there that are new to investing, that is not normal. That is a momentum kind of chase for return.
Bullish on
And
Parade.
again, if you
What's up,
looked
bro?
at Decker Outdoor Living, that was also added to the S&P 500. Do you know how much it was up? 2.5%. So again, 27% at its highs. It ended up closing only up about 16%. It's down $30 last I checked. Be careful, guys. These are the types of things that if you don't know what the market is doing and you don't know what is normal, you get caught in these type of momentum situations. Think about people that were buying SMCI over $1,100 yesterday, and again, right now it's trading below $10.50. Potentially, it's even going lower. Pre-market, it got as low as $10.09 in the morning session. All right, next up, we also talk about this, right? In addition, late day selling crushed Super Micro from 11.55. That was the high yesterday to close at 10.75. Technically a very weak close. Now, why is it a weak close? Because the previous high a few weeks ago was 10.77. And interestingly enough, and this is so important, I was just talking to the traders on my trading floor, how when you have a stock that goes above a previous major
traders on the
high,
trading
it's
flow,
so
man.
imperative that it holds above that high on a closing basis. When it fails and it closes below, that is not good. Now, what do I mean by here? Well, again,
Okay, I think Bitcoin's next, but he has
10.77.
that
That was your previous high.
Can
It
you guys
closed
hear
at
him at all?
10.75, and this happened right in the last 20 minutes of the day where it was trading at around 11.30, got crushed all the way down to 10.75. And again, folks, that is not random. That is not random. That's institutional sell signals galore. They did not want to let price yesterday close above this level. This would have been bullish. Now this is net bearish per the charts, and I look at it like this. The big institutions, it's a signal to the other institutions. Game time up. Let's go down. Let's short this thing. Let's get this thing back in. We'll see if that's correct, but watch that. That is not arbitrary. That is not random. That in the last 30 minutes of the day, 20 minutes of the day, it dumped out literally $50+ to close just below, literally $2 below where the previous high was. All right, couple other things here, guys. Bitcoin kissed its all-time highs at 69,000. It hasn't broken yet. We're going to look at that chart in just a minute. Yes, I am still short for those of you out there, so be aware of that.
All right, he's
MicroStrategy
still short.
early pre-market was down $100. It's come back a little bit as Bitcoin has bounced off of the overnight lows. But again, this stock has run from 450 to 1350. Be careful again, guys. It's a great move, amazing. Michael
think
Saylor,
this is
great
pretty
guy,
cool. I like
all
what
of
he's
that
doing. How many
stuff.
viewers
But
does
again,
he
that
have?
is a monster move on the
20 on it.
charts. Couple other things to go over here real quick.
Damn,
if we
look
take
at
a
this
look,
setup.
we have the Federal Reserve, right? So
He's got
again,
a
let's
big
take a look
ass
here.
cheese,
The
man.
Federal
TVs
Reserve
are
here,
crazy
presidents
these
are
days. They
talking
have-
more and more about no need to cut rates. The market right now doesn't care about that.
I bet
There
you
will
that
be a point where
TV
the
was
market
still
does
like
not
$600
like the
somehow
fact that the
Walmart.
Fed is
Fucking
not
TVs
ready
are
to cut
cheap now.
rates. Again, this is key. Bostic yesterday, one of the Fed presidents, came out and said, hey, what's the point of cutting? There's no reason to cut. Stocks are at all-time highs. The economy is doing just fine. The jobs market is doing just fine. These are the things that the Fed's seeing. By the way, the Fed's watching crypto too. They're also seeing Bitcoin getting up to all-time highs. They're seeing these runs. That doesn't make you want to make liquidity easier to access, okay? When you have these type of bubbles brewing, it does not make the Fed say, oh, let's cut rates so that money's even more free, because it will just inflate the bubble. All right, next up, what do we have here? ADP private sector data coming out at 8:15 tomorrow. I'm covering this right now because, this is key, guys, tomorrow by the time I do my stream, by the time the game plan goes, we'll already have this number out. It's expected to be at 150,000 versus last month at 107. Now, again, just taking a quick look here, guys, at the chart of ADP. We can see that, again, this is going back to 2021. We had one pop of ADP.
eyes.
Since then, it's been generally trending to the downside. So, again, this was your last number down here at 107. We have to watch this. Right now, you can argue that there's a lot of economic data that has been weak, but the jobs are staying here. Jobless claims are low. Unemployment stays low. We're seeing government jobs continue to be added, and it's keeping the market afloat. If we start to see a crack here, this could be a bigger deal. All right, lastly, guys, Target reported earnings this morning and revenue. Earnings and revenue beat. Forward guidance was solid. The stock is doing very well today.
Really?
We'll take a look at the chart. All right, let's get into those charts right away here, guys. We're going to start out with the spiders, which, again,
Man, Target
very important
sucks.
for me to look at, right? So we noticed yesterday we touched the high end of this wedge pattern, which just gets tighter and tighter and tighter. At some point, this breaks. One of the keys, and I showed you guys this yesterday, remember, when you have a wedge pattern, right? Here's a wedge pattern.
this is
When you
such
hit
cool
a few times and
technology.
break,
I might
it's like a
have to
small
do
break.
this.
And that could be to the upside too, right? Let's say you go, here's small break. When you stay within the wedge pattern for a long period of time and break, the move is going to be bigger. So what you expect here is that
He's
whichever
drawing a
way
crocodile.
this breaks,
He
it's
should
going
put-
to
he
be
should
a
draw
big
another
move. It's
line
either
right
going to be
here
a
and
final
two eyes.
rally to the upside of epic proportion, or it's going to be a big drop in the markets. My guess is if it drops, you probably are looking at a 10% correction in the markets. Now, in the scheme of things, is that big? No, it's not that big of a move, but a 10% correction in this market, we have not seen that type of drop, would feel like a huge drop to many, many people. And it would likely see the big mega caps continue to correct. All right, speaking of mega caps, guys, look at Apple here. I'm going to zoom out because I want to show you a couple lines here. Look at these dual levels that have been broken. All right, there were two trend lines, one of them going back all the way to 2020's lows here on Apple. You can see it all the way back here. We then cut it right through here, and we have broken that line. Here was a smaller one, shorter one. Either way, both have been broken as of yesterday's close. And check this out, guys. Apple is now trading in the pre-market even lower here. Let me bring up my real-time quotes here. Take a look at 170.88 all the way down here. Now, there is a technical level I'll be eyeing today around 170 or a pierce of
Jeez, look at these
170,
humps. This
but again,
almost
it
looks
is
like
just
it's
a
the prayer to
short-term trade.
Jesus.
The next thing I'm going to do for you guys is show you where I am looking for a bigger opportunity for a swing trade. So remember, if you're looking at the 10-minute chart, generally it's day trading, right? When you go to your bigger time frames, your time horizon widens. So daily chart for me is swing trading. If I'm going for a longer term investment, I don't do much of that. Weekly and monthly charts are what I'm looking at. The one thing to look here, right? So if you look at this, we have a down sloping trend line here, and we have a little pivot point in here. I just want to show you guys this real quick on the charts. So what we'll do here real quick, and again, just getting my lines in order. Bear with me here.
Is lunch in
All
order?
right. And if we take this
Did he
line
say he's
here and we
ordering
drag
lunch?
it down, what are we getting to, right? So look at that line right there. This line from this pivot top right here, right? Right here, right here. And again, right down to about 155 to 156 area, give or take. Then there's a secondary level, right? And I always look for the confluence, right? If you want to be a good investor, you have to look for more than one level at the same price point. All right, generally 3 is the magic number. You get 3 factors at one price point, the odds of success are 70 to 80%. That's what I found. All right, if you get one line, you know, 60%, maybe 65%. It's better than 50-50, but it's not unbelievable. So look at this. If we put a line right in this area right here, and we drag it right across, look at what we get. So now we have this line to this line, this to this
Star-Spangled
point, right?
Banner.
It cuts right through here, and it gives us this area here. And then we have this pivot top with this pivot top with that one, and it comes right in the same zone. So right now, that to me, this 156-ish level, give or take, is my zone for where if we see Apple continue to flush. And by the way, trading at 170 now, you're only talking about $14 of downside further to get into a level where then I would start to expect a major bounce. Now again, that would be a big fall on Apple, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. Interestingly enough, it would have taken out well. And by the way, it's not that far from the low from last October when the markets made the low. But remember, the markets are at all-time highs up here. So Apple has been a huge, huge underperformer in the short term. Next up,
Bitcoin.
we talked about SMCI. I just want to show this
Dang
to you
it.
guys again. I do think it's worth noting. So one of the things I watch for is where you close. When you have a big day like we had yesterday,
All right, we'll wait and see till we'll wait and see
Whip too
until he
fast
gets
for
to
the
what we
streets, so I
really
had
want to
to take
see.
it to the track. I remember that apartment, I ain't never going back. I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I got about 500 computers in the undisclosed location. Wanna learn how to trade? Join the Crypto Face Foundation. I'm just mining all these coins while I'm minding my own business. All this money that I'm making is gonna be a Merry Christmas. All this power that I'm pushing, I'm just trying to drain the swamp. Making Bitcoin great again, but my name ain't Donald Trump. Iced out like Antarctica. Push button, start a car. 300 pips in the green, call me Spartacus. Can't see my face mask on, I'm anonymous. Legally robbing banks, you can keep the hostages.
actually it was yesterday that I picked it up just above this 230 level. The concept behind this is just purely technical. And again, everyone gets so emotional about crypto. It's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, this or that. It's like, dude, it's not emotional. It's literally, I just follow a rule book that gives me these levels. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. My goal is to just have about 70% to 80% work, and then the other ones don't, so be it. Maybe my Bitcoin trade doesn't work. We'll find out. I don't use leverage, so I got lots of maneuverability there. But again, same thing here, right? You look at this area here. To me, this speaks a ton of resistance. There's a ton of chop here. That tells me that there should be a lot of resistance right up in this 230 to 235 level, right? So again, that's something I'm watching. You also have a confluence of levels. Remember, multiple trend lines converging. Take this, connect it to that, and what do you get? You get that same level on Coinbase. All right, so again, we'll see if the trade works out. Again, 1% of my portfolio, and that's my swing trade portfolio. It's not a huge deal either way. Here's your chart of Target, guys. Let's bring up our real-time quotes on Target. Target's having a nice move to the upside. We can see it right here, trading around 165. I want to point something out on this. You guys know I've talked to you guys about charts trading at the lows versus the highs. It's not a general rule that is always in place, but if you look at the chart on Target and we flip out, right, if we zoom out on this, what we can see is that Target in general was trading a lot higher over here, right? A lot.
Accomplices. I said it and I meant it, girl, but I can't make no promises.
All right, nothing new there. Oh.
Me and the team, I don't need no more accomplices. I said it and I meant it, girl, but I can't make no promises. I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances.
I don't know who Crypto Savvy is. Crypto Kirby. I hope he's okay. Someone said he put a message in his group that he'd be back in like a month or two.
So if you resent and you're jealous of people who have success, prosperity, and money and wealth, you will reject that away from yourself.
Yeah, you guys.
Motherfucking money.
All I know is
Hammer
my money where my
for
mouth
his
is.
hair.
You can call me Crypto Face. I just copped another.
I think his hair looks good.
Wasn't cheap, 'cause I'm talking a Ferrari. Next one probably be Bugatti. Never like the
I don't stream video games, man. But maybe one day I'll open up a Twitch account and start streaming. The problem is, I don't, like film myself, and I don't know. Sometimes I don't talk. The Curbinaccio, Little Billy, and James at the water cooler. The Don Kirby Curbinaccio, eating nachos. And Little Billy at the water cooler.
Same old shit on my desktop when I'm chilling in my castle. Got an all white dog swimming pool. God, I'm thankful. Money like casinos keep on coming, especially when I gamble. I be spitting the truth, man. All the haters do is ramble. Rory souped up like it's Campbell. Crypto face the YouTube
I
channel.
need to shave here soon. My mustache and beard getting long. Bro, I haven't played League in for when we do play League, it's only ARAM, bro. Oh, oopsie. All right. Where's Cyborg? What see before open stream? I've posted in the Discord. I don't know. It's the price going up. I saw the price going up. Saw it going up. And here we are. What's going on here? 6769. Come on back. Look at this 7 minute. Look at this momentum just cruising up. Look at that money flow. Look at that. Beautiful big BitBoy green dot. Momentum coming up. RSI's nice and green close together. All right. The 1 hour came in here right here, got a little hitch, a little hitch. Is there anything else, folks? Anything else? Parlez-vous français? C'est bonjour. Tu parles? Why aren't you coming online the minute you make the trade? I believe you come online after a while. Do you know how many fucking times I've entered a trade live and then you guys just forget the day after? I gave the trade to everyone in Discord before I entered. Do you know how many times I've entered and exited trades? I enter and exit trades all the fucking time. Everybody in the Discord got the trade when I entered, bro. Did you watch the tutorials, man? Watch the go to the tutorials. You don't need me. Bye. Appreciate your business, though, buddy. If you're not in the Discord, get there. It's not a signal. We're not a fucking signal group. We teach men and women how to fish. I trade live, enter and exit all the time. All the time. I've been here for like 8 years. 8 fucking years. Do you know how many trades we've entered, exited live? Billion. How to access Discord? It's in your fucking dashboard. You type in your Discord username in your dashboard on Market Cipher, I'm pretty sure. Then there's when you buy it, you get like email instructions too. But yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a field where you type in your Discord username, and then a few times a day everybody gets added. Again, we got the merch meeting today. Going down to the merch company. All right, 67.5. Come on back. Come on back. I'm getting hungry. Barclays. What's their ticker? Bark. Man, this song is so funny. Space. Barclay. Weekly. It's ugly, but looks like it's kind of at a bottom. The what? The what? 20%? 20% Barclay? Alright. Come on back. Profit would buy off your land and pay your student loans. Word. 100,000. How much land? Maybe I will. SQQQ. Pro share short on shit. Doesn't look good. Ho ho ho. Boy, it looks even worse on log. Oh my. Oh my. You know what? This just looks like it's about to turn, churn, and burn. Nut. I've never seen it. What the hell is this? Wow. Sheesh. If you're gonna be a dick for no reason, your ass is out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Okay. Price bouncing up a little bit. All right, folks. I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting a little tired, and I need to eat something. And I can't go to sleep. I have a meeting. I have the merch meeting in 3 hours. And I should probably shower. Alright. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna get some coffee and some more coffee and some breakfast. And then it's merch meeting day. I want to come with ham hocking some good shit. We're gonna have to set some shit up. It's gonna take some time, and I want to get it done. Other than that, thanks for being here. Wish you all the best of luck. And that's it. I'll see you guys later.